How's everyone doing today? Alright, today I got some treat for you. I got you the accessories for the 2019 Can Am Ryker. Not the Spider, the Ryker 2019 just came out. I purchased mine about a week ago. It's been so cold outside, I really hadn't had a chance to go outside. I haven't even had a chance to put these accessories on yet. Actually, I've still been waiting on a lot of accessories to get in the mail. I just got the passenger seat right here today in the mail. I haven't even opened it up, so I'll open that up in a minute with you guys. But let's start at the top. Alright, so I got the Can Am Ryker, and I will definitely be riding with the passenger seat. Right here is the passenger seat. They make two different seats for it. They make a regular base model for $299, then they make another one for $399. This is the $399 seat. Alright, got the pen, white outline, and then they got the little red. And this right here in front, a little bit more like suede or some type of leather material. Don't really know. Alright, you got your handlebars. Now, when you order the seat, the pegs actually come with the seat. Okay, so the pegs came with the seat. It's the hardware. And everyone's saying, Can Am saying you can put it on yourself. Everyone's saying it's difficult to put it on. We'll see, because I plan on putting mine on in a few days, and I'll make a video and let you know how it goes for me. Now these right here are the Can Am caps. They can go on the wheels. They're actually called the Accent. Now, these are supposed to be red. They look a little orange. They look kind of red to me. I gotta compare them to the bike. I haven't had a chance. Like I said, they're still new in the pack. Let's see here. Those are instructions. But those are those. Now, those are hard plastic, okay? Now, what we have right here is the Can Am decals for the wheels, all right? Now, this is funny. This costs $49, all plastic. This right here, the decals for the wheels. See that? See that? $29.99 decals for the wheel kit. These are red. I don't know if everyone's getting it or not, but let's take it out the box. Well, not even a box. These are stickers. So maybe I just didn't understand what I was buying, but $30 for 3 little red stickers to go on the rims. Don't know if it was worth it or not. Definitely do not know if it's worth it or not. I have 3, so I guess I really don't have any room for error when I get ready to put them on, because if I mess up, there goes one. I got 3 wheels, and one's gonna be missing. So I don't know how that's gonna go, but I look forward to putting that on. Now, this is the seat, okay? This is the passenger fold-in seat, okay? So this back portion is the back portion that goes behind this, okay? Let's see what we got in the box here. Just like I always can, man. Put some instructions. You go online, you can possibly find a video and more information. This is the seat. It folds out, folds in. So this is actually styrofoam-like. This is styrofoam. Yeah, hard styrofoam. This right here is a little metal. This is just hard styrofoam. That's all this is. Hard styrofoam. So this I can find here. That's how that's gonna look. And I will have the ability to fold it down. So that's what you got. Fold in seat. It's not really that big. They have a shorter version, and this is the taller version. I tell you, if you get the shorter version, I think you're just gonna be wasting your money, because this tall version is not that not that big at all. But I mean, you don't want it to be too big. You want it to blend in. So that's what you got. Hope that sun is not messing up the video too much. Right? So that's what we got. See what else we got in here. 2 screws. The rest of this is just cardboard box. Enough of that. So I spent $2.99 on the back portion of the seat. I spent $3.99 right there. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's $800 just for the seat. All right, for the seat, for the passenger seat, that's $800. Like I said, if you don't want that option, you just want the seat, it's $2.99 for the cheapest seat that we make. If you want the fold-in back, that's another $2.99. Like I said, I spent $30 on these plastic stickers and $49.99 for hard plastic. So, like I say, Tune in for the next video. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me. I'm going to be putting all these things on, and I'm also going to be showing you the accessories that I picked out to ride around with. I'm going to be using mine to drive to work, and on the weekend to play around every blue moon. I'm going to try to drive at least for 1 or 2 days out of the week, drive to work. I go to work 5 days out of the week, so I plan to put miles on mine. It's a 30-minute ride to work and back. So, all right then, until the next one.